Learning English can be a rewarding journey, and today, I'm excited to share some essential techniques that will help you communicate more effectively. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about basic greetings. When meeting someone for the first time, a simple hello or hi works wonders. You can follow up with, "How are you?" This not only shows politeness, but also opens the door for conversation. If you want to sound a bit more formal, try good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Remember, the tone of your voice and your body language play a huge role in how your greeting is received. Next, let's tackle asking for help. It's perfectly okay to seek assistance when you need it. A polite way to ask is by saying, "Excuse me, could you help me please?" Or, "I'm sorry to bother you, but I need some assistance." This shows respect and makes it more likely that the person will be willing to help you. Don't forget to say thank you afterward. It's a small gesture that goes a long way. Now, let's move on to everyday expressions. These phrases can make your conversations feel more natural. For example, when you want to express agreement, you can say, "I see what you mean," or "That makes sense." If you disagree, try saying, "I understand your point, but this keeps the conversation respectful and constructive." Also, using expressions like "That's interesting" or I didn't know that" can encourage others to share more, making your interactions richer. Ending conversations politely is just as important as starting them. You can say, "It was great talking to you," or "I really enjoyed our conversation." If you need to leave, try, "I have to go now, but let's catch up later." This leaves the door open for future interactions and shows that you value the relationship. Throughout your learning process, practice is key. Try to use these phrases in your daily life. Engage with English speakers, whether in person or online. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. Remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Don't be afraid to speak up, even if you're unsure. Each conversation is an opportunity to improve. So, embrace the challenge and keep pushing yourself to learn and grow. These techniques will not only enhance your English skills, but also boost your confidence in communicating. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find yourself navigating conversations with ease.